Hi, boys and girls. I just thought maybe you would like to see the planting of the bulbs that I was showing you when I talked about planting a rainbow, and I showed you some of those beautiful bulbs. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to put the camera down. I have some holes dug in the yard for my bulbs. I don't know if you can see them, but so far I have 4 holes drawn in the ground, and I'm going to stick the bulbs in and cover them up. So I'm going to set the camera down that maybe you can watch with my shovel in my hand. All right, so I'm going to put one in this hole over here, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to make sure it's down far enough, because remember I said we dig them down low, and we do that so that they can stay covered in the winter and be down far enough below the frost line. So when the snow and the ice comes, these poor flowers are way down there. And then I'm going to cover it up with the dirt. And I'm going to close each hole, and then I'll put mulch on top of it, okay? I'm going to take another one. Remember the ones I showed you, how they have the on the bottom and that? So I'm going to pick a hole, and I'm going to try to put it way down as far as I can shovel so that it'll be under that frost line, so that when it snows next winter, it'll be nice and warm. And I'm going to put some of that dirt right back in on top. Nice and easy. Here we go. Then I'm going to get another one, and I'm going to put it down so that I have it way down in this hole right over here, so that it will stay nice and warm. Not now through the summer, but next winter it'll be down far enough that it will stay warm. And we'll cover it back up with that dirt. Put it right on top. All right, and I had that one other hole. I'm gonna put it right down in here. Dig that up a little bit. I might have room for some more to put on this side. So remember, these go down a whole lot. 4 inches, 6 inches, so we could keep them nice and warm. And they'll grow and they'll bloom, but right now we're going to cover them up. And then we'll get some water on them, and they will start to get ready for the season. Now, I will show you some over here when I pick up the camera that you can see. This one right here. This is a gladiola that has started. It popped up, but it'll take a while before they come up and get real tall. So we're going to put all that dirt back there. Now we have 4. I don't know. We'll have to watch these over the summer, because remember I said I don't know what color they are. So let's see if we should put another one in the ground. You think we should try another one? And I'll put it, maybe you can watch me dig a hole, and I'll put it right over here. Okay, can you see me? Now I have to start and go down. So I'm going to put my shovel around and around and around and around, and I'm going to dig that dirt out, lift it out, because I'm going to put it right back on top. And I'm going to make sure that this is deep enough to get this all the way down to stay warm. And then I'm going to put the dirt right back on top. All right, pat it down just a little bit. And then you know we need the sun and the rain to come back, right? So I'm going to go get my water so that we can water it. I'll be right back. All right, I have my watering can so we can add water. So how many bulbs do we put in, do you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have 5 new plants. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this fancy mulch back and put it on top. the mulch that was all over the flower bed, and I pushed it to the side so we could work. And now I'm going to bring it back so that we could cover it up. And the ground will be nice, have that nice mulch. I bet Mom and Dad are working on mulching on their flower bed and getting it all nice and pretty for those flowers to grow. What do you think? Think we did a pretty good job? I think so. And I have some extra bulbs to put in another place. Then I'll have to get some more water. So there we go. We have 5 new flowers, boys and girls. And that is how we're doing gardening. And I wanted to show you, since I showed you the garden things and the bulbs, I wanted you to see how I was going to go around and put them into the ground. So now you saw what we do to do that, to get all our gardening work done. So I hope you had a fun time watching that and could actually see how these bulbs go into the ground. So I'll see you at Zoom again. Bye-bye. Have a fun afternoon and enjoy this beautiful weather.